All right, this is a video that involves mixing two different methods of waterproofing for showers using schluter kerdi foam board and kerdi band, and then on top of it as a double layer of protection, the laticrete hydroban. So this one's actually the cheap one, Hydro Barrier Plus. So this is the lowest grade one, probably comparable to Red Guard, but I've never used Red Guard. I did a bonding test first to see if the hydroban would bond to a small sheet of schluter kerdi board, and I also did some of the screw holes as a test before I did this. I'm a DIYer, so this is my first time using schluter, and I had some questions about how I did things and the mixing of the thin set and how dry it was when I did my kerdi band, and I wanted to do an extra layer of protection on all my seams because I didn't feel 100%. I don't think any professional would ever need to do this, but for one thing, my shower pan with just the kerdi on there did fail. I had some seeping up on the curb. It was the water actually was siphoning through the kerdi band, maybe because my thin set was too dry when I embedded the kerdi band. And so I did the second layer, and I ended up passing my next flood test. There was a couple other things. I couldn't get the crease out of these corners. This one specifically is on the outside, so I'm not too concerned about it. I filled that with the hydro barrier, and then I just went ahead and did all my seams. But it bonded great on my test piece. It ended up pulling the fleece apart, so I have no worries in mixing these two systems. I know it'll void the warranty, but I'm not worried about this. This is my shop shower. This is just like a proof of concept for me to use this. So if I ever have to do this in my primary home, then I'll know how to do it and know what problems there are. I did take the hydro barrier and went about 4 inches out on my sheetrock. This will have shiplap, but that way this is the exit of the shower, and this part the sheetrock will at least be waterproofed. And then I went ahead and filled the seam where the curb is, so that I won't get any wicking if the water were to come out and get between the tile and wick under the curb. I'm using a Flow Effects schluter pan drain. It worked great, really high quality, full schluter niche. Yeah, so I have no worries that this is gonna stick, and everything should work fine.